Today we're gonna bring in a GoPro handle, and now this one is pretty neat because I'm gonna put a $100 bill in the system itself. So we're gonna go ahead and start filming now, and we're gonna put the $100 bill in the actual tray in the bottom. So if you go swimming or you want to take it somewhere with you and you want to make sure it's dry, or key or any kind of money, you can just put it in there. We're gonna put it in the $100 bill. We're gonna fish it out after and see how dry it gets. So we're gonna close it up. You guys can see that. So we have the actual $100 bill in here. Make sure it's nice and tight. We just throw it in there. And if you guys can see, it won't go down. It stays float. And it doesn't submerge. But we're gonna sink it down to the ground if we can, and it comes back up. Drop it. Sink it down. And it stays float. And now it stays float. If you guys can see that. All right, let me dry my hands out. I'm gonna grab this, get it out from here. Get it out from here. All right, and let's see, perfectly dry. Didn't get wet at all. So we're good. My hand's wet here, but look at this. Perfectly dry money, nothing. So very simple, easy to take with you. This hand grip is great if you're gonna be, surfing, if you're gonna be on the water or anywhere. It's waterproof. The inside is dry. There's plenty of space for you guys. You could add anything you want, and you could take this anywhere you go. Now, this is very durable. There's plastic on the outside. The alignment is all plastic, rubber, so you could drop it many times. Now, the inside, it retains a lot of air, so this is gonna be floating out for quite a while. It won't go down at all. So this is perfect if you're swimming underwater, you're going your vacation, and you're snorkeling and you lose your actual camera. This will float back to the surface. Someone can retrieve it. If you have your key, your room key, and money in here, this is perfect for you guys. So I would recommend it if you ever go to vacation, or you're gonna go out in the ocean or swimming or in a river or mountains. Pretty much you can use anywhere this item. So hope you guys enjoy the video.